Hey guys, we're doing a product review where we just installed this Hampton Bay 4-foot LED color changing ceiling light. And you're gonna see as we walk through the qualities of this light. It retails at Home Depot for $150, I believe. And it's a nice light. It's a LED light, as you can see. It's changing color, so you could go from, it says here, to 3,000, 2,700 to 5,000. So you have your color settings here. Right now we have it set at the lowest, which is the I guess the classic look. Right here it says 3,000. You have 4,000 and 5,000, and this is actually, it's a switch that's up on the ceiling there, and you just switch this over. You see the black thing there is on the 4,000, but you could switch your setting. 5,000 being daylight, your brightest setting. 4,000 being your white bright, and your 3,000 being soft white. So we're going with the soft white. We like that classic incandescent look. But yes, let's go up top now and see what this product is all about. Okay, as you can see, this is your switch, and right here we have it at the 3,000, which is soft white, and then when you switch it to the 4,000, it'll activate the 3,000 lights and the 4,000 lights. It'll give you a little brighter setting. You have one on this side and you have one on this side over here. So you switch both of them, and there you have it. That's your white light. Then you click it one more time to the 5,000 setting, and it activates your highest bulbs, your LED bulbs, which is that. And you get a extremely white light. This is like really, really bright. I was surprised how bright this is. It's nice for anywhere, I guess, but this brightest light, I will use it probably in the garage. This is in the laundry room, but yes, we're gonna keep it at the. You can see the difference. This is the lowest setting. This is the high setting, and then this one here, that's the medium setting, which is the white, bright white, and then that's your soft. And the wiring is pretty basic. It's not like the old, the old incandescent where you have all this. You got the yellow wire and the black wire. It's not that confusing, but this is just white with white, neutral with neutral, hot with hot, black. You got a black there, you connect it. Oh, by the way, we have these Wago nuts, clamps. It's this new thing that I saw on the internet. It's I would advise you guys to get it. See how clean it is. You insert the wire and each one in their own individual slots, and then you just clamp it down. These are extremely clean. Gives you clean work. Okay, and now you have the cover. You saw it on the box. You have this nice, it looks nice, but it's guys, this is like extremely cheap stuff. This plastic, you won't even believe me what this stuff is made of. This plastic, you know those cheap plastic cups you buy in a dollar store, and it has a funny smell to it. If you can see the corner here, this is just the same exact material. It's plastic. It's just the same material, that plastic cup, just in a thicker gauge, much thicker gauge. I thought it was a little bit better quality, but it looks nice. It's not glass. I guess it's good, but it's not a heavy duty plastic at all. And these Wago clamps, as I was showing you, they come in two. You can insert 2 wires in there, and you open them up like that, and then you insert your wire, and then you just clamp it down. Let me see if I find a wire here somewhere. So these Wago clips, instead of the old traditional wire nuts, you stick your wire in here just like that, and you clamp it down. Very, very aesthetic, clean work. It also has a little gauge back here on the side, shows you how much of the plastic coating to cut off, and then you just insert it here. You have a visual inspection in the back, or you could just clamp it down and it stays in there pretty good. Also, you can also test these things right in there. You could stick your tester, your prong from your multimeter, and you could test it. Or in the back side over here, you have a little hole where you could stick your multimeter back there. So let's say this was your multimeter. You stick your prong back there, back here, and it'll show you current as well over here in the front. You would stick your, let's say your wire was in there. You would stick your multimeter in there, and it'll give you a reading. So they come in 2, they come in 3 wire and 5 wire connections, which is very, very good. I bought this case online. I think at can't remember where, but yes, this is a 75 piece, and it's about 50 bucks. It's way better than these wire nuts. This is old school. They take up a lot of space in junction boxes and even light switch boxes. Just imagine putting 3 of these, or you won't put 3 of these in this, but just an example, cramming in all those wires in here, as opposed to just getting one of these clamps and doing your work. Opening this clamp up like that, sticking your wire in, and shut. As opposed to the old way, you would join all these wires together. You had to twist it together with your pliers, and then put this ugly wire nut on there. Very bulky work. This is very flat. You could tuck it nice and neat inside the boxes, and you do nice work. Well guys, that concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Catch you guys on the next one.